Hey guys, and welcome back to yet another video. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to use the 3-string method into measuring your hair, your progress and your goal. So I've decided to make one video showing how to do the 3-string method. Now I have done it before in one of my previous videos where I was measuring my goal, how I'm going to get there, but this is not what this video is about. It's basically to show you how to do the 3-string method properly. So guys, all that is needed is basically 3 pieces of string. Make sure each one's got a different color or looks different, at least for you to be able to keep track. And then you're going to need your sticky tape. Then of course your measuring tape, and then your brush. So basically I'm just going to start off with brushing my hair to make sure it's detangled and it is super straight. Then I'm going to use my measuring tape and I'm going to start measuring from my hairline. Once I've got my measurement, my hair is about 111 centimeters long. Then I'm basically just going to tape the measuring tape on the wall. Then I'm going to take my first measuring string, I'm going to tape it right next to my measuring tape, and I'm going to measure my current hair length. I'm going to cut it there and tape it. And then my second hair string, I'm basically just going to get a goal for myself, and I'm going to tape it also right next to the measuring tape. So basically I've got both strings on the wall. I've got my current hair length and my goal right next to each other. The third measuring string I'm going to use to measure my hair in the middle of my goal term to track my progress. Guys, so that is basically all that you need to know about the 3-string method. It is a great way to track your progress, to set goals, to set milestones, and to just stay motivated the whole time. I know every time when you look back at your first piece of string and it was back then 50 centimeters and you look back at it now and your hair is now 70 centimeters, it's absolutely amazing to keep track of your goal and your milestones. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I am very curious to see how you guys are doing with your 3-string method. Please do let me know in the comments down below what is your current centimeters and what is your goal, and I would love to hear about you guys. Guys, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!